I am smart, I am capable, I can do it. You give a stroke to yourself. You go to the mirror and say, yes, I am capable, smart. If everybody can do it, I can do it. If nobody can do it, I can do it. Give stroke yourself as a child, free child. And like a taxi driver gave stroke to, good morning. Give stroke to everybody. In the office, you say, oh, you look smart, you look good. Oh, you've done a good job. Even if they have made mistake, doesn't matter. We can redo it. I will help you to redo it. Become a nurturing parent. So remember stroke. Stroke is recognition, unit of recognition. So your time starts now. Remember the word stroke and the need of giving stroke every day. Remember it for a minute. Yes, I need to give stroke to everybody. I need to get stroke. I need to fill up my stroke back. I need to feel, yes, I am loved by everybody. I get sufficient stroke for my survival. Now we go to philosophical assumption. People may think it is difficult to remember. There are only 4 philosophical assumptions. The first one is everyone is okay. Take 1 minute. You say to yourself, yes, everyone is okay. Everyone around me is okay. The people are added in my life for a particular purpose. They are okay. They are okay. If I love God, I accept everybody in my life. Second is everybody has got the capacity to think. Everybody has got the capacity to think. We may say, no, oh, he doesn't think properly. Everybody has got the capacity to think. Keep saying it in your mind. Everybody has the capacity to think. And the third one is, the decisions taken can be taken, changed later. Whatever your core beliefs are there in your head, you do the reality testing. Is it valid? Is this belief which I got in my mind, is it valid? Whatever decision you've taken, challenge yourself, change it. And the fourth philosophical assumption is love is an antidote. It heals everybody. It can heal from ordinary headache to cancer. Your love can heal people. Now, if a person is continuously sick, get into a friendliness of one person who will be a nurturing parent, who always speak good about you, who empower you, encourage you. So all your mental stress is gone, mental sickness is gone, physical sickness is gone. You become a healthy person. So find a person who can be your mentor, who can be your nurturing parent. So now we go to a truth about yourself. You see a bird sitting on the tree. You must have seen this movie, this picture. I'm sure all the people have seen this movie. Now, Charlie Wadley has said, a bird sitting on the tree is never afraid of branch breaking because its trust is on not on branch but its own wing. It means you have to rely on your own strength, your own competence, your own power, and not depend on people. People say this is a Kali Yuga. I don't agree. Once I was traveling with one of my friends. He said, "Sir, ये Kali Yuga है." I said, "आपको क्यों Kali Yuga दिखा देते हैं? आपको ये अच्छा युग क्यों नहीं दिखा देते हैं?" बोलते ये हो गया, वो हो गया. I said, "Forget about all that thing. Our country is growing, world is growing, new technology is coming. Even this corona is a blessing for us because people have gone in digital. The people have become online trainer, online trading. Everything except a few people are affected by the employment and money. Corona has taught a lot of things. Like I was a trainer, offline trainer. Corona made me an online trainer. So there are a lot of things which you have to identify what corona has brought you. So trust your own wings. Fly, keep flying. Eagle. You must be knowing eagle. Phoenix, you can call, some people call it. When all the birds get wet under the rain, this eagle or phoenix bird go above the sky so it doesn't get wet? Why don't you grow above all and think independently, become autonomous? You can store this image in your mind for a minute. I give you a 1 minute time, because if I keep on talking, your attention get diverted towards me. So I give you 1 minute, close your eyes and remember, yes, a bird is not afraid of the branch of the tree. It rely on its own wings. So you have to rely on your own competence and power. That is autonomy. I give you 1 minute time to remember. Say, yes, I need to have autonomy in me. Autonomy is free from control, free from control of your spouse, free from control of your boss, free from control of neighbors, free from control of your fear, free from control of phobias, free from control. Have a reality testing. Are my core beliefs are genuine? You have any? I will give you one more exercise. Keep in mind, who are the people with whom you have stopped talking for last 1 week, 1 year? Maybe you review each relationship where you stopped and come back to them and say, let's become relatives, friends again, because I need to relate you, I need to communicate with you, I need to stroke you, you need to give me a stroke. Autonomy is people's need to perceive what they have choices in their own, as they are the source of their own action. You know, one boy went for a interview for a diploma holder, academically a good student. So the director told him, you are a smart boy, so you are appointed. Can you join from tomorrow? The boy said, I need to ask my father. So the director asked, what is your father? My father is a farmer. And he said, farmer, how many acres of land? He said, no, we don't have land. Oh, that means your father is a agricultural labor. So you will ask your father, who is an agricultural labor, he will ask his friends about this company. My company is a new company. Nobody knows. They know only about Tata, Birla, Ambani, all that. So he will say, don't join. He said, please get lost from this company. I don't want you. Even if your father allow you, don't come back, don't show your face again. So he lost an opportunity. No, there are people, I know a girl who go to Mumbai, went to Chennai. She want to buy a soap. Calls, Mama, soap is over. Can I buy one soap? Mama says, you can buy. Mama also want that child to be a frog in the well. She calls and say, Mama, the children are, my friends are going to beach. Can I go with them? Oh, are you still in the child ego state? Think like a child, you are dependent on mother. Now remember one thing very clearly. Autonomy is developed during 19 to 36 months of childhood, during toilet training. Do you know how it is developed? When your mother said, thought, now it is a time to do the toilet training. So the mother tells, beta, hurry up, do potty. The child says, no, it's not time, I will do it later. He says, no, you try hard, it will come. So the child says, no, it's not coming. Then the mother says, to make me happy, please do the potty. Na? The child says, no, it's not coming. Then the child, mother says, in that case, what you do? Be strong to hold it till I am free and then come and tell you, yes, now you can do the potty. So imagine that baby, 19 to 36 months old baby. This is the treatment mother gives unawarely. So this is how his or her autonomy is blocked. Now, higher level of autonomy tend to result in increased job satisfaction. I want to tell you my thing. My boss used to say, you are only, when he told me that I was AGM, Assistant General Manager, he said, you behave like a MD of this company. You take your own decision. I said, sir, if you tie my hands and legs, how I'll be able to walk? If every moment I keep on asking, sir, they are asking for 1% more discount, can I give? You will say, don't give. So wherever I gone, I will come back empty-handed. So he told me, it doesn't matter. I can't find fault with you or punish you or remove from the job, because all the decisions taken by you are beneficial for the company. You have brought this company up. Now, let us see what is the drawbacks of the non-autonomy. Without autonomy, you will be emotional. You will be without holding mother's hand. You will not be able to cross the road because vehicles are coming both the side. You are fearful. You are fearful of the. You are having so many phobias. Phobia is nothing but a feeling that yes, somebody is there to rescue me. You are anxious. You are unable to relate to others because the parents have told you, don't relate to the people because they are not good people. You are unable to take decision. Even there are even children after marriage, the mother keep on asking, how do your husband treat you? How do your husband does husband take you for a outing in the evening? Or the keep on asking. So and the girl is told, you have to tell him like this, you have to tell your mother-in-law like this, you have to tell your father-in-law. So all the direction, they think that even after marriage is a child. So you have to be a frog in the well. You have to behave the way I am telling you. If you are unable to behave, I will come there and I will direct you as a director, what you have to tell, how you have to behave. That is how your parents destroy the life of the people, no? And if you are not autonomic, you live with unauthentic feelings. So as I said, the goal of TA is autonomy. If you want to transform, so just I take 1 minute of you. Just if I keep on talking, your attention will be on what I'm saying. So if required, close your eyes and say, TA means autonomy, free from control. TA means autonomy, free from control of others. I challenge my own core beliefs. I get out of my present core beliefs. And I keep my philosophical assumption, everyone is okay. Keep saying it till you say that yes, TA means autonomy. TA means autonomy. Okay. So it trains participants on attaining health and autonomy. TA guides individual to identify and restore distorted or contaminated or dysfunctional ego states. Major emphasis of TA is learning about self to redecide whom you wish to become. Maybe now I'm 72. I am a BTA. I am a commerce graduate. I am an MBA business business administration, business management. Then I got TA. I am in MS in psychological counseling. I'm a BTA. And now at 72, I set a goal. I want to become an MTA. I don't know. I have to keep on setting more and more goals and achieve more and more because I am in my adult ego state. I have to, my goals are, I want to be, now I am a YouTuber. I got a YouTube video. I got currently 74 videos are there. It's all about TA concept. Those who like to subscribe, you can ask for the link. I can share with you. And now I got my own website. I want to now, I got three more goals. One, I want to become MTA. I want to become a, I want to become I want to become a blogger, and I want to become an author. So these are the goals I've set. There is no stopping my learning from adult ego state. Now, what do autonomy do for you? It creates power within you to decide. Now, let me warn you, many people who have noticed me, they said, you have changed a lot. You are not the same person. They didn't tell me I am an autonomous person. They didn't tell me I keep setting goals. Of course, many family people say, why do you want to learn more? Why do you want to do MTA? Why do you want to become a blogger? Why do you want to become author? Why don't you enjoy your retired life? Now, I should not be controlled by others. If I am controlled by others, I do not have autonomy. Now, I don't know. It is not possible to have autonomy because everybody in the home, they influence you not to be autonomous, and they want you to be their little girl, or they want to live under their control. That is up to you whether you want to be autonomous or not. One is that awareness of information, what is going around us, what are the options you have got. So you will be able to decide more effectively. Spontaneity. There are many people, even in IAI 3, there are a lot of messages in the group, but people don't respond. We share so many things. Nobody even, appreciate. Nobody even gives stroke. Nobody communicates. Nobody make transaction. I don't know why. Respond as quickly as possible. The third is intimacy. Intimacy means, we all play psychological games. There is no time, unfortunately, to cover the psychological game. Only I want you to listen to me in the next 1 minute very carefully. You check yourself whether you are playing a psychological game or not. After a transaction, I'm using the word transaction. Transaction means exchange of communication. You may give a negative stroke or you may get a negative stroke. And after the conversation, you both feel bad. That means you have played a game. Do you think you play game? Anybody? I think 85% of the transactions are ulterior. That leads to game. That's why people say, "Na, I will not talk to you hereafter. I don't want your friendliness. I want to withdraw. I don't want to communicate with you. I don't want your friendship. I don't want your relationship," because they have played a game. How do you come out of that? You withdraw that game and then say, yes, I want to relate with you. I want to communicate with you. I want to give stroke. Live and let live. Now, for practicing autonomy, you have to be assertive. When you are assertive, assertiveness is valuable to managers because energy is released and the person feels stronger. Other person take more notice of assertive person. And relationship with other improves, difficulties are resolved rather than festering underneath the surface. So these are the three variations of assertiveness, aggressiveness, and submissiveness. Assertiveness in green color, no hurting self and others. Aggressiveness is hurting others, and submissiveness is hurting self. I want you to take 1 minute and remember these three words very carefully. Then this will be more meaningful. You have to become assertive, no hurting self, no hurting others. Aggressive is when you become aggressive and you say, do what I say, the tone is heavy. You point out fingers, you better do what I said. You better do what I said. You be perfect. You finish time as I told you. In education institute, teacher tells, I am telling you, you have to do homework. If you don't do homework, I'll punish you. The children grow with fear of punishment. submissive, always submissive, always submissive, always submissive, all psychosomatic disease. Now we are already almost nearing 1 hour. So can somebody read for me quickly so that there are 15 are there. How many of you are there now? You can read one by one so that does this disturb you or make you
loud voice?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Loud voice,
yeah,
speaking in public,
yeah,
being teased,
yeah,
facing a failure,
yeah,
meeting a stranger,
yeah.
looking foolish,
Mm,
people in authority,
mm,
tough looking people,
mm,
being watched while at work,
mm,
receiving a compliment,
mm.
being criticized, angry and serious people, being ignored, making mistake, being disliked.
Out of these 15, how many are affected by you? Just even if you don't share, you can just think how many, how many these points are affected. Say all 15, 10, 5, or only one.
Being teased, for me, 1.
Okay.
For me, for loud voice and then being ignored
Yeah.
and facing failures
Yeah.
and people in authority.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyone
At
more?
least 4.
Anyone more?
For me, 1, loud voice.
Okay. Loud voice, it's a origin of a childhood. When you are a baby, people didn't
Right.
people didn't realize that if I make loud voice of child, the baby will get scared. So a house which make always loud noise in the grown up, that that man will have he is always scared of loud voice, crackers.
No, but yeah, I mean, I've got one sister of mine who's very loud all over the place.
Shall we move now? The transactional analysis has got 4 analysis. One is know your personality ego state model. It tell you about 3 ego state: parent, adult, child, whether it is contaminated or not, and how it functions. Second is how you communicate, whether you communicate positively, negatively, or it also gives about time structuring for being successful. Life script, as I mentioned to you, remember every child is compressed. Don't grow, don't be important, don't exist. And uh, because of them you lost autonomy, because of them you lost you are not allowed to enjoy life. So there are so many script messages are there. So you should know script and get out of it, rewrite your change. You will become you will get free from all your psychosomatic diseases. And psychological game, I already explained you. If you stop psychological games, we will have a healthy relationship with people. So things are coming to an end. This I already mentioned to you that it has helped me because I learned TA. I got extension of my job as GM marketing. I lived I live happily. I got my daughter and son, their family, grandchildren. I got 4 grandchildren. My elder grandson, who is a software engineer in TCS, and the youngest grandchild is a 5-year-old boy who is in 2nd standard. So I always, what you call relive. Every time a grandchild is born, I relive along with, I grow along with him, being a nurturing parent. So most of the time, what happens is most of the workshop, they say that I wish I had learned TA before getting married, so I would have not spoiled my relation with my spouse. Some people say I wish I had learned TA before giving birth to children, so that I would have brought them up well. So like that, So like that, the people, when they know benefit, the people know the benefit, they really, become a fan of TA. Now, I have really developed after learning TA. I am on social media. I am there on all social medias. I am connected to about 1 million people. So those who want to learn TA, it's on September 8 to 11th. These are 4 days. You will get a certificate from ICTA, and this is the basic course. And in advanced level, you have 1 year diploma or 2nd year BTA, and then after that, maybe 2 year MTA. So you can become a TA trainer, you can become a YouTuber, you can become an author, you can become a blogger, unlimited. You are opening the world for yourself. So it is energy exchange is 3,500. Early bird up to 31st August is 3,000. IEI members, it is only 2,500. Those who are confirming today, a special bonus 2,000 only. If you confirm, you can take your time, you can confirm today, or you can confirm before end of this month. So you will get at 2,000 rupees. And not only, learning TA, you will come across with a lot of people who are, fascinated about TA. In the last session I conducted, I had people from 6 states: Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Surat, that Prabhani, so many people. They all want to do diploma and BTA. So you grow along with the professionals. So that is the beauty of it. So I will be having an organization of my own, which will, which I'll take you to diploma, BTA, MTA, and then you will become a professional trainer. You have to have 5 income. One income is, if you like, continue what you're doing. Second income is become a TA trainer. You become a TA YouTuber. You start blogging. You become an author. And keep learning, keep learning. There is no age limit for learning. So with that, I conclude my topic. I think I had a target of 1 hour. I've taken 6 minutes more. So you can give me a feedback about the contents and presentation.
So participants, please feel free to ask questions or, share your feedback with sir before I conclude with a vote of thanks.
But sir, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
A long time. Actually, after some time, we are meeting together.
Yeah.
Very good class, very good content.
Hmm.
I am appreciating your energy in this age and a passion for learning again and again. Very good. Congrats.
Yeah. Thank you. You are giving me a stroke. Thank you for that stroke.
Yeah, positive stroke.
This is the example of stroke. Appreciate. So now let us say my energy is this level. So after the stroke from Jose, energy level goes up. Become a phoenix bird. Go above the skies so that you don't get rainwater on you.
Actually, I also recommend for our Polsar's TA, transaction analysis, because in the age of 18, actually I learned basic TA from Father Kandathil.
Yeah.
In the age of 18, because in the age of 18, in the school year, I was very cool child, sing songs and speech, very active. But in the age of 18, I was compelled to look after my family, my brothers, my sister, their studies. It was very hard to earn that much money in that 18 of age with only 10th standard and a 2-year typewriter short-hand accountancy. Because I couldn't continue my studies also. I stopped my studies after 10th. But that time I was I was a hot-tempered person, In that time, I met Father Kandathil and I got TA, the very basic course. Even direct class was there in 1 month. Actually, what twice in weekly. After that, I changed a lot. I'm again a cool person. Even always, you can see, always I'm smiling with a smiling face. Actually, that TA learning was a turning point for me because in the age of 18, I got a big burden in my head. Then after that, I again learned PDC, DC, PG, all everything is self-study. So I recommend TA for very good for life-changing uh, learning is this TA. Okay,
I-
thank you, Paul sir. God bless you.
Parul, I think Parul is planning to join my next batch. That is September. I don't know about Mangai Kumar. So I think it is in September. So those who are availing this special offer to 31st July, only 2,000 rupees for you. It is not only learning self-change, it is also you connect to so many professional people in the field of mental health. Any more feedback from any one of you?
It was definitely a wonderful session, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, it was a wonderful session. And knowing Dr. Paul is a gift. Actually, he had made changes in many of their life, and it's one among them will be me also. So, like you said, you have followed many things. I have seen you live, keeping up your words on actions.
Yes.
So that is something really which has changed many things in me also. So I would say this TA, whatever you're teaching, should reach many people. And I will be one student soon, definitely.
Thank
And
you.
it's a nice session, sir. Knowing about it on and on. It was a clarity and with an experience that really matters. With your life experience, then you give it at the right place with right people. It should reach many people. Thanks for the session.
Thank you for the stroke. So as I'm telling you, the stroke from Mangai, again my energy level, Jose has already lifted from here to here. Now Mangai has stroke has increased my energy level to this. Anybody more want to give
No,
me another?
it's my duty to Dr. Paul. Yeah, because he has given me a lot of strokes to transform myself into a trainer because I never thought that I could come out. I had content, but I didn't never thought it's there is some space for me. He created it and he groomed me, and I should definitely say he gave me a strong stroke. He was one person who really kickstarted me as a trainer.
I can handhold you to become a trainer. I can handhold you to become a, I can handhold you to become a YouTuber, author, blogger, have 4 or 5 income.
Yeah.
And
Thank
you should.
Your energy is really very high.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone more? Or
yeah, so Parul has put up in the chat box. She says that I have network issues, so she's typing out the message for you.
Yeah.
Sir, you are an inspiration for us, and it's an opportunity to learn from you.
Yeah.
Sir, you have given us opportunity to grow in the world. So thank you, Parul, for that. And yes, I would like to conclude with a simple word of thanks. A lot has been said about sir, and I also second that thought because he has been, even at this age, an inspiration to all of us. A lot of learnings that we have had at IAI3, and that's what makes this platform very encouraging and enthusiastic. So sir is going to be back again with each one of you to come up with the next knowledge sharing session and so on. So we have a schedule wherein every Tuesday we do this kind of activity of knowledge sharing session at IAI3 platform. So Paul sir is the person who is after each and every one of us to come up with great ideas and do this kind of session. We've got a calendar, I think right up to mid-September, sir, which is almost full. And then subsequent to that, sessions are available. So we would request you to come forward and share your ideas, share your thoughts. It's a nice platform if you want to start something new, as sir said, this is the platform where you can actually build in that autonomy and build in that confidence for yourself to go out there and speak more. All right. Having said that, let me also talk about the new initiative at IAI3, which is taken care by our very own president, an initiative which is about the IAI3 Edu Talk. So we had already had the session last week where our president, our very own president, Dr. Neeta Parate, gave her talk. And Anjali ma'am, she is also a very, very significant pillar of IAI3. Let's not forget that, because she has also participated very actively in coming up with this initiative of IAI3 Edu Talk, wherein we take interviews of people, and she is the host. She is majorly contributing to this project. So she has taken the interview of Dr. Neeta, our president, last week. We have the recording available on our IAI3 Facebook page, because this is going to be a Facebook Live. We have the next one coming with none other than our very own Paul sir on the 30th of July at 6 p.m. on the IAI3 Facebook page. So I urge each one of you to join us there on the Facebook and watch sir live getting interviewed by our very own host, Mrs. Anjali Sangvi. So that's all. And I would again like to thank Paul sir for this wonderful, wonderful session that we had today. And I'm sure that each one of you enjoyed. I would request each one of you to follow it with a round of applause. And you can unmute yourself so that the clap is loud enough to be heard by each one. So that's wonderful, Paul sir. Thank you very much for such a beautiful session. I don't think that 1 hour was long enough, but I am sure each one of us really enjoyed every bit of the entire session. When concepts actually start materializing in your mind, that's where you start thinking, oh, this is also there. And this is also what you need to understand. And yes, if you want to see more of him, do join us on Facebook Live on the 30th of July at 6 p.m. where Anjali ma'am would be interviewing none other than our Paul sir. And obviously, I'm sure he's going to be talking more insights on TA and his life, how it's been evolved as a journey. So looking forward to see you there. The next knowledge sharing session is on the 3rd of August. And I will be speaking on that knowledge sharing session. So there are a whole list of surprises out there. We will be sharing the announcements in the group, so do stay tuned with us. Thank you so much, and thanks, Paul sir, for this wonderful session.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you,
thank you,
Paul
sir.
sir. Wonderful session.
Thank
It
you.
was really interesting session. Of course, you always put that energy and enthusiasm to everyone. So I always say you are the youngest person in our team because you are actually our motivation and inspiration, and you always motivate everyone by your activities. So many things simultaneously you are doing at this age. It's really appreciable. So yeah, thank you for this wonderful session. And of course, you are the leader for this knowledge sharing sessions. So more and more knowledge sharing session, we are inviting all of you to come and join us for this knowledge sharing session. Of course, you may share your articles to our monthly newsletter also, which is headed by Jyoti ji, and of course Anjali ji is there. She is handling that interview series. Even we are inviting you all for interview series also, wherein untold stories we are actually sharing with people, so that to inspire others and to know each other more nicely. And IAI3 is providing you that platform to reach your stories to all people. So these are few of our initiatives. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So we may conclude now today's session. Anything anyone want to say? You are welcome. That's it. So should we conclude?
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, IAI3 also has provided a best platform for me in many ways. I have realized my own self in many ways. And the reason was Dr. Paul and your IAI3 whole event, what is going on. So I should be thankful. Many times I couldn't participate in many of the events. I feel that I couldn't make time, but today I thought it was Dr. Paul's session. I should be definitely attending. And definitely I missed your interview. I'm waiting to look at it and their Facebook.
Recording is
Thank you.
available. You may go through it. Recording is available. It will be live on YouTube.
Yeah,
also.
recording.
Yeah,
is
yeah, I would be
available.
watching
You
it.
can go
Yeah.
and watch it on the II3
Thank
Facebook page, and
you.
do join us on the 30th with Paul sir interview live.
Hello.
Thank you, Joseph. Thank you,
Yeah,
Smita. Chalo, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.